All right, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today in this video, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo for the Sony WF-C500 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So today in this video, I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration. Then I'm going to give y'all two sound samples. One is going to be a leakage test and one is going to be a proper sound sample to the best of my ability. And alongside that, I'm going to also give you guys and gals my opinions of the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these earbuds. I'm also going to make sure I reiterate this in my full review of these earbuds that is not finished yet. It's still a work in progress. But without further ado, let's get into the fit and sound demo. Let's go. Now, starting off here, I just want to let y'all see the different profiles and let y'all know how I have the earbuds set up, okay? So I have the earbuds in my ears and I have the medium tips. The medium tips is what came on the earbuds by default. Also in the box, you get a set of large tips and you get a set of small tips. Now, I always recommend that you go through those earbud tips and find the absolute best fit because that helps with the overall comfort and the overall sound isolation, but also the overall bass, which is very, very important. So I always recommend you go through the included tips and you find the absolute best ear tips to give you the absolute best experience. But for me, I have the medium tips installed, okay? Now, let me give you the different profiles. Along with that, I'm going to let y'all know the overall comfort level of these earbuds is top notch. I haven't had any issues with the overall comfort or the overall fit of these earbuds. And I've done just about everything you could do with these earbuds. I've taken them to the gym. I've used them while I clean up around the house. I got them wet a couple times because it started raining outside. No issues with these earbuds. No issues whatsoever. But let me show you the profile. So let me turn to my left and you can see the right earbud here. And you can see I got that nice solid fit. Now it's recommended that you put them in and then you twist it down into your ear canal so you get that nice solid fit. Okay. And they also give you a demonstration as to how you want to put them in for fitting inside of the companion application. All right, but here's the right earbud. Now, as I said, it's very, very comfortable. No issues with the overall fit. Okay. And now let me show you the left earbud. So here's the left earbud right here. And you can see it's more of the same. Okay. Okay. Now you can see from the front profile, it is very noticeable that I have earbuds in my ears. They do stick out quite a lot. Okay, so people are definitely going to be able to tell that you have earbuds in your ears. All right, it just is what it is. Anyways, fitting portion of the video done. Let's get into the sound samples now. Let's start off with a leakage test. Now for reference, y'all can see I am using my professional clip-on microphone and it's less than a foot away from my mouth. So you should be able to pick up any and all leakage coming off of the earbuds. Also, I want to let everyone know that I do have the earbuds connected up to my iPhone XS. I'll have all the appropriate B-roll thrown up in post so y'all can see I do have it connected. Also, you can see here I got some copyright-free music pulled up and I also have it at max volume. You can see it right there. Again, I'll have all the necessary B-roll thrown up in post because I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. All right, let me stop talking now. Let me push play and you guys and gals let me know if you pick up any leakage coming off of the earbuds here. Let's go. Now, another cool thing is that the earbuds have a physical clicky button. So the right side gives you all your track controls and the left side gives you all your volume controls. All right, so one tap for play and pause. Here we go. Here we go. Let me let that bass drop. Ooh, okay. Let me pause. Woo! Okay, so hopefully you guys and gals were able to get a nice leakage sample so you get an idea of how much leakage comes off of the earbuds at 100% volume. But let me talk about my overall experiences. Let me share my overall opinions. Now, Sony. Whoo! All right, Sony. All right. In terms of the overall sound quality, it is really good. Very crisp, very clear throughout. Minimal distortion at max and low volumes. Sony, y'all did a really good job in terms of the overall sound quality. Now, in terms of the overall volume, Sony, again, you guys did a great job. At max volume or at 75% volume or better with anything playing, I could only hear what I'm listening to. So the overall volume on these is top notch in my opinion. Top notch indeed. Now, moving on to the all important bass. Y'all know your boy is a self-proclaimed bass head, not a professional, just a self-proclaimed bass head, lover of all things bass. Now, in the bass department, I have to say, Sony, these are good. Not really good, not top notch, just good, okay? It does have a nice amount of punch, but it's just missing that little bit of extra, okay, I can feel it. It's missing a little bit of that. So overall, I would have to say the bass on these is good. I'll also have linked up down below a set of playlists that I use when I test out Bluetooth earbuds or headphones. Feel free to check out that playlist. Let me know what y'all think if y'all picked up these as well. And also, please feel free to give me some music recommendations. I'm always down to get some music recommendations so I can add to that playlist. So leave your recommendations in terms of music that I should check out down below in the comments. And those playlists will be linked up down below in the video description, along with everything else that I feel is important that you know. All of that will be linked up down below. Okay? But again, let me reiterate, in terms of sound quality, really good. In terms of volume, top notch, and in terms of bass, it's good. All right, and I'll make sure I reiterate that in the full review. Now, let me go ahead and rewind the track. Okay, and let's go ahead and push play, and I'm gonna hold it up to the microphones, and I'm going to attempt to give y'all a nice sound sample to the best of my ability. So let's go. I think the easiest way to do this would be to start it. Okay. And then take them out and hold them up. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Ooh, good amount of leakage. I'm gonna do this for 30 seconds starting now. Let me give y'all 10 more seconds. Matter of fact, let's go to the next bass line. Whew. All right, that's good. All right, good stuff. Let me pause it here. Okay, and let me rest these down. And that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for this video. So once again, this has been a fit and sound demo with the Sony WF-C500 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, y'all know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you'd like to see more content and coverage like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Also, so you stay up to date when videos get published, please feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Y'all know all the social medias. Feel free to follow me. I'll have those links linked up down below as well. And please let me know what y'all think of the overall performance of the Sony WF-C500s. How's the leakage? How is the sound quality? What do you think of the overall fit? Leave all that feedback down below, and always remember, please keep your feedback respectful, please. All right? Also, let me know what you think of the overall video. This video here was recorded using a combination of the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 720p, and I am using my professional clip-on lapel microphone as well. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated, and remember, keep it respectful, please. That being said, as I alluded to earlier, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up the Sony WF-C500 Bluetooth earbuds for yourself, all the affiliated links as to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, those are affiliated links. So when y'all use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So in my opinion, I would call that a win-win for everyone. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.